Hey, good Wednesday afternoon, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage. Got our next project here. This is part 2 of the trailer we dragged over here earlier. Finally got to this. Got a little bit of paint on it yesterday. My Amazon hook showed up, safety hooks. Put a little Rust-Oleum 2X black on it, my favorite color. Got a set of brand new sneakers that Amazon dropped off today. Those weren't bad, 250 bucks for the pair with the rim. So got a brand new light kit put on it. Got that wired in there. LED, of course. This has a nice drop tailgate. Like I said before on the other one, whoever built this did a really nice job. Didn't really need much. But this tilts. I still haven't messed with the tilting mechanism on it, but I got to take her down to Pifer's Concrete and get a weight slip, and this one should be able to go on the road. I did run into one problem though. Taking off that hub, I snapped the damn stud off. I sprayed them the night before too. Broke it right off. Went through 3 screw extractors, kept bumping it up. I could not get that thing out. I heated it and sprayed it. So I just went on eBay and I found looks like a replacement drum. Comes with the seals and everything for like 88 bucks. So I'll spend that on this. But those tires are pretty nice. They came preloaded 100-pound PSI, and they're both the same. So we get this drum. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. I'll take it for a little test tow with my my old brown pickup there. But nice looking trailer, pretty heavy duty. I think I'm going to put some 1/2-inch treated plywood down over this bed. I mean, the wood isn't, looks like they really slammed some stuff in there, but it's all treated. Looks good underneath. Looks pretty clean underneath on the bottom side, but I'll probably skin this with some 1/2-inch treated plywood. So there you go, folks. I got a trailer fetish. Have a good one.